Instructions. Listen carefully to each recording. Listen twice if needed. Write or circle the correct answer. Each question is worth 1 mark. Part 1. Words and meanings. Questions 1 to 5. Listen to the recording and choose the correct meaning. Hello, students. Listen carefully. Today we are learning about light and shadows. We will also learn about 3 types of materials. First, transparent materials allow most light to pass through. We can see clearly through transparent materials. Clear glass is a good example. Second, opaque materials do not allow light to pass through. A wooden door is an example of an opaque material. Third, translucent materials allow some light to pass through, but we cannot see clearly through them. Frosted glass is an example. A shadow is a dark area made when an object blocks light. Finally, a light source is something that gives out light. The sun, a lamp, and a candle are examples of light sources.
Part 2. Missing words. Questions 6 to 10. Listen to the recording and complete each sentence. Now, let's talk more about light and shadows. The sun is a natural source of light. It gives us light during the day. We can also use lamps and torches as sources of light. A shadow is formed when an object blocks light. For example, when you stand in front of a lamp, your body blocks the light and a shadow appears behind you. Materials can behave differently when light reaches them. Clear glass is transparent because most light passes through it. Frosted glass is translucent because some light passes through it, but we cannot see clearly through it. A wooden door is opaque because it does not allow light to pass through.
Part 3. True or false. Questions 11 to 15. Listen to the recording. Write true or false. Let's review what we know about light. The sun is a natural source of light. It gives us light and helps us see during the day. Transparent materials allow most light to pass through them. For example, we can see clearly through clear glass. Translucent materials allow some light to pass through. Frosted glass is a good example. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through. A book, a wooden door, and a metal pan are opaque materials. Remember, a shadow is made when an object blocks light. Now decide if each sentence is true or false.
Part 4. Multiple choice. Questions 16 to 20. Listen carefully to the recording. Choose the correct answer. Now, listen carefully. I will describe some objects, but I will not say their names immediately. You need to listen carefully and choose the correct answer. Number 16. I am looking at a window. It is made of a material that allows most light to pass through. I can see the trees outside very clearly. What material is the window made of? Number 17. Now I am holding a piece of frosted glass. When light reaches it, only part of the light passes through. I cannot see details clearly on the other side. What happens when light reaches this material? Number 18. Next, I put an object between a lamp and a wall. The object blocks the light. A dark shape appears on the wall. What object am I using? Number 19. I put the book between the lamp and another surface. A dark shape appears. Listen carefully. Where does the shadow appear? Number 20. Finally, I am thinking about things that give us light. I can see the sun in the sky. I also have a lamp in my room and a candle on the table. Which 3 light sources did I mention?